All right, so we're going to look at the log base 2 of x equals 24. Now, this is an interesting thing. Remember, there's the property that the relationship between the log base x equals y. So the log base b of x equals y is the same as the relationship between the base raised to the y and that equaling the x. So in this scenario, b is equal to 2, x is equal to x, and my y value is equal to 24. And so we're just asked to rewrite this. It says which exponential equation is equivalent to this logarithmic. So we're rewriting right as an exponential. So knowing that property, I'm just going to write, I think 2 raised to the 24 is equal to x. And that's all they want us to do in this particular problem. I need to calibrate my tablet or stop drinking so much coffee in the morning. Okay, that's it. That's all we got to do.